Are you currently struggling to achieve your goals and manifest your desires? And do you think that it takes longer time than you expected? And the worst part is you're not even making as much money as you deserve, right? So I have come up with a very simple formula, transform your life within 21 days challenge. This is a challenge which is for the starters, for you to kickstart your conversation with the universe and start your manifestation journey. So go ahead and click on the link below so that you can start your manifestation journey. In this 21 days transform your life manifestation challenge, all you're going to learn is how to start your manifestation journey. You will have opportunity to set clear goals. You will get an opportunity to visualize your future also and how to achieve all these things. I'm also going to give you a chance to win a goodie bag, which consists of lots of gifts for you. So go ahead and click on the link below and register for the Transform Your Life Within 21 Days challenge right now. And I will see you inside the challenge.